So if I were to actually go ahead right here and upload out, let's say for example, a photo. So let's just go around over here and then upload out a certain photo right here, just like this. Then what happens is that this photo is recently uploaded. And to actually find out the photos that you have recently updated, such as these, you can go around onto recently added right here and you will be able to see like it's added today. And then you can see that this is added yesterday and so forth. And this is how you can actually see like when you added certain things. Like let's say for example, I added this Sunday right here, and you can even go ahead and select out these photos as you can see right here, depending on where you actually added them. And this is how you can actually go ahead and simply see the recently added photos so that you can better manage it out easily. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.